Light, something so familiar, illuminating our world every single day, is, in fact, one of the most extraordinary phenomena in the universe. It travels faster than anything humans have ever known. It is the language of the stars. It is the key that allows us to see the past. And it is the ruler by which we measure space and time themselves. But have you ever wondered? Right finger, if light is the fastest thing in existence, how long would it take to cross the entire universe? Right finger, and does light ever truly reach the edge of the universe? Tonight, let us follow the path of light. From the moon, to the very limits of cosmic existence. High voltage. In a vacuum, light travels at approximately 299.792.458 meters per second, nearly 300.000 kilometers per second. At this incredible speed, light can circle Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second, travel from Earth to the Moon in 1.3 seconds, reach the Sun in 8 minutes and 20 seconds, travel from Earth to Pluto in about 5.5 hours. The speed of light is a fundamental cosmic limit. As far as we know, nothing in the universe can move faster. Because distances in space are unimaginably vast, scientists don't use kilometers. They use light years. 1 light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. Approximately 9.46 trillion kilometers. For example, the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, 4.24 light years away. The Milky Way's diameter, approximately 100.000 light years. The observable universe, approximately 93 billion light years. Even at the ultimate cosmic speed, the universe remains overwhelmingly vast. The universe has no clearly defined boundary. However, we can observe only a portion of it, the observable universe. Radius, approximately 46.5 billion light years. Diameter, approximately 93 billion light years. Beyond that lies regions whose light has never reached us. And the universe is still expanding, continuously, since the Big Bang. So the real question becomes, can light ever catch up with the expansion of the universe? The answer is, not really. Because the universe itself is not static. Space is expanding, and in very distant regions. It is expanding faster than light can travel. Important distinction. No object moves faster than light. But space itself can expand faster than light. As a result, some regions of the universe are receding from us faster than light can reach. Light from those regions will never arrive at Earth. These areas lie beyond our cosmic horizon, forever unobservable. The most ancient light we have ever observed comes from the cosmic microwave background, CMB, emitted about 380.000 years after the Big Bang, has been traveling for 13.8 billion years. Due to cosmic expansion, its source is now 46.5 billion light years away. This means, when we observe light, we are not just seeing distance. We are seeing time itself. Light is powerful, but it is not immune to cosmic forces. It can be affected by extreme gravity, near black holes. Light can be bent, or trapped, Cosmic expansion, which stretches light into longer wavelengths. Visible light becomes infrared, then microwave. Interstellar dust and gas, which absorb or scatter light. Light is not destroyed, but it can be altered, redirected, or prevented from ever reaching us. Imagine traveling alongside a ray of light. Moon, 1.3 seconds. Sun, 8 minutes. Across the solar system, 5.5 hours. Nearest star, 4.24 years. Center of the Milky Way, approximately 26.000 years. Across the Milky Way, 100.000 years. Andromeda Galaxy, 2.5 million years. Edge of the observable universe, 46.5 billion years. Even writing light itself, you would never finish crossing the universe. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, as you approach the speed of light, time slows down. At the speed of light, theoretically, time would stop. This suggests that time travel into the future is physically possible, by moving fast enough. But for now, such technology remains beyond our reach. Because cosmic expansion is accelerating, distant galaxies will eventually disappear from view. Their light will never reach future observers. Billions of years from now, astronomers may see only the Milky Way and nearby galaxies, with no evidence the universe was ever vast or expanding. The universe itself may erase its own history from view. So, how long does light take to cross the universe? The answer is forever, or rather, never. Because the universe expands faster than light can ever catch up. Yet light remains our greatest messenger. It carries time, history, and truth across billions of years. Even if light can never reach the end of the universe, it has already told us stories from the dawn of existence, and opened a gateway to realities far beyond imagination. And as long as light continues to reach us, the universe still has stories left to tell. Milky Way sparkles.